Welcome back to FedBiz Exchange. I'm Michelle Brown, your coach and your mentor. In this video, I want to talk to you about small business government healthcare nursing home contracts, 5-year contracts all over the country. The government is desperately seeking small businesses in the healthcare business and the nursing home care business. If this is you, join me live January 26th, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click on the link below in the comment section to register. In this video, we're going to walk through what those opportunities look like. There were so many that I had to do this workshop to show you how to use my tools to win these contracts. I'm not in this business, but I'm excited for those of you that will focus on this opportunity and take the time to learn how to win. For those of you that know me and you follow me, you know that I'm always watching out for you guys. I'm always looking around to see what contracts might be easy for you to win. So of course, I went to SAM.gov and I saw all of these nursing home healthcare contracts. I knew that the nursing home industry was going through some things and that the help was desperately needed. But even I was surprised by the number of opportunities that are out there for those of you that are in this industry. This is your time if you're serious about winning government contracts. So here we are, a review of the first two opportunities. This opportunity, Community Nursing Home Services, is in LA, which is Louisiana, and they need nursing home services for multiple locations. This is just an example. You will also notice that the Veterans Administration will be the priority agency. Also Health and Human Services, but mostly the Veterans Administration needs a lot of help. And look at this. Yes, this is due January 25th, 2022, but it's not due as the solicitation. This is a pre-solicitation telling you what to get ready. Pre-solicitations mean get ready. It means you need to start preparing to be ready for the true solicitation when it comes out so that you can win. Here is the next one. Nursing home services, open and continuous solicitation. Now this is amazing. I love when I see open and continuous. That means they need an unlimited amount of help, and so they leave the solicitation open, meaning you can start bidding at any time all the way throughout the year or until they close it. At this time, there is no close date. So if you are in the healthcare business, you come to the training, you determine that this is something you want to do. They have different locations, or the VA is in your area. You could literally bid once, win, bid for another area and win. You need to be able to handle it though, because these can be large multi-million-dollar opportunities. But if you just want one to get your foot in the door, now is the time. Here's the next set of opportunities. Nursing home services needed in Texas. Multiple locations for the Veterans Administration. Now this solicitation is not due until July 31st of this year, but you could use this time to get your people together, build your team, build your network. We could get as much information as possible for the Texas locations, begin planning, and be ready to apply and win. I could help you with the pricing because I understand how to do healthcare pricing. I know healthcare pricing very well, but you need to be ready. So this is one of the opportunities we will review on January 26th. Also, you have another opportunity is St. Luke's Hospital. The nursing home facilities there. Veterans Administration is asking for the assistance. Yes, the opportunity is not due until January 17th, of 2022, but this is a sources sought. So let's say you don't see this until later. All you need to do is go ahead and send them a notice letting them know you're very interested. Of course, your sources sought needs to be professional, well put together with your capability statement, but the point is the opportunity to win the contract is coming. Remember, a solicitation is due now, a pre-solicitation is get ready, and a sources sought is we're looking for you. Either way, you need to be ready. Here's another community nursing home opportunity for the Veterans Administration. It's due March 23rd, 2022. It is a solicitation, but you have plenty of time to get ready and be ready to win. Get your pricing together, get your people together. Here below that, we have an adult daycare healthcare opportunity. Now, this is only a sources sought, meaning they want to hear from you. They're looking for you. They need to know that there's a small business out there that can do the adult daycare business. So you could respond by September 30th, 2022, but you want to go ahead and get your sources sought response in because you never know. They do make sole source awards off of sources sought. This is so exciting. I could go on and on and on. I have pages of these opportunities that I would like to review with you guys, but not just review them with you. I want to teach you how to win. So join me on January 26th and we'll get into it to learn how to win these nursing home opportunities nationwide. I'll see you there. Click on the link in the comment section.